Come on, let's see this stuff that Rose gave you. It's Alegria de Amaranto. Let's open it. What could be in? Do you like amaranth? Do you like amaranth, Fezziwig? Let's see. Let's get it out. First, we got to get this rubber band off, which is hard for me to do with one hand. Yes, you're trying to help me. Okay, there we go. Okay, now, pull that off. Now it's the plastic. Do you think cranberry sauce would go with it? Look, you got it. You want to open it yourself? What's in there? Okay. Look. Look, Fezziwig. Here. Come over here to the corner. Ooh. Is it good? Hmm.